Hello everyone. Today we started with the NetSet CS Computer Science previous year questions. So start with the first question. So the question is, consider the array A, and in an array A we have elements 4, 1, 3, 2, 16, 9, 10, 14, 8 and 7. And after building heap from the array A, the depth of the heap and the right child of max heap are. So we have to find here in this question the depth of the heap and the right child of max heap. So firstly we should know what is max heap. So the max heap is a complete binary tree in which the value in each internal node is greater than or equal to the values in the children of that node. It means that कि इन अ मैक्स हीप जो नोड की वैल्यू होगी, ठीक है, पेरेंट नोड की वैल्यू होगी वो ग्रेटर होगी या फिर इक्वल हो सकती है उसके चिल्ड्रन की वैल्यू के, ठीक है. सो फॉर दैट वी हैव फर्स्टली वी हैव टू क्रिएट द मैक्स हीप. So start with the elements, that is the first element is 4. So insert 4 into the max heap. So here we inserted the 4. After the next element is 1. Okay, so 1 is to be inserted in the left of 4. So we have to check the max heap property for this tree. So this follows the max heap property because the parent node here, parent node is 4 and the children of 4 is 1. So the parent value, that is the 4, is greater than 1. Yes, so it follows the max heap property. So we have to insert the next element, that is the 3. So insert the 3 into the right of 4, and after inserting 3, again we have to check the max heap property for this tree. So again it follows the max heap property because the parent node here is 4 and 4 is greater than 1 and 3, that are the children of the 4. So we have to move further or insert the next element, that is the 2. So 2 is to be inserted to the left of 1, and now we have to check the max heap property for this subtree, and this subtree is not follows the max heap property. So we have to make that make that tree in the form of max heap. This can be done by interchanging the values with one another, and after interchanging, that is the 2 with the 1 and 1 with the 2, so we have to interchange these values, and after interchanging we get root value or parent value is 2 and children is 1. So here it follows the max heap property. Now we have to check the max heap property for this above subtree, that is the 4 is greater than 2 and 3, so it again follows the max heap property. So we have to move further or inserting the next element. So next element is 16. So 16 is to be inserted to the right of 2, and we have to check the max heap property for this subtree. So according to the max heap, this does not follow the max heap property, so we have to make that in the form of max heap. So we have to interchange these values with one another, and after interchanging we get 16 is the parent of 1 and 2. Now this follows the max heap property. So again we have to check the max heap property for this subtree, and according to max heap property, the parent value here is 4, and it should be greater or equal to the children value, but here the 16 is the children of 4 and it does not follow, and according to the max heap property, this does not follow the max heap property. So we have to interchange these values with one another. So after interchanging we get 16 is the parent of 4 and 3. Now this one follow the max heap property, and this subtree also follow the max heap property. So we have to move further by inserting the next element, that is the 9. So 9 is to be inserted to the left of 3. Now we have to check the max heap property for this subtree, and it should be the parent value should be greater or equal to the children value, but 3 is less than 9, so we have to interchange these values with one another, and after interchanging we get 9 is the parent of 3. Okay, now we have to check the max heap property for this subtree. This one also follows the max heap property. This subtree also follows the max heap property. So we have to move further by inserting the next element, that is the 10. So 10 inserted to the right of 9. Now again check the max heap property for this subtree. So this one also does not follow the max heap property because here the parent node is 9 and children are 3 and 10. So we have to make that max heap. So this can be done by interchanging the value with the parent node. So 10 exchange with the 9, and after interchanging, now 10 is the parent of the 3 and 9, so it follows the maxi property. Now again check the maxi property for this set. This one also follows the maxi property. Now this one also follows the maxi property. Fine. So next we have to move further by inserting the next element, that is the 14. So 14 is to be inserted to the left of 1. Okay, so now again we have to check the maxi property, but this does not follow the maxi property because 1 is the parent of 14, and according to the maxi property the parent node value should be greater than or equal to the children of that node. So we have to make that maxi by interchanging value with one another. So after interchanging we get 14. 14 is the parent of 1, so now it follows the maxi property. Now again check the maxi property for this subtree. This one also follows, but this does not follow the maxi property because here 4 is the parent of 14 and 2. So it and we already knew that the parent node value should be greater than. It means we have to exchange the value 4 and 14 with one another, and after interchanging we get 14 is the parent of 4 and 2. Now it follows the maxi property. This one also follows, this one also follows maxi property, and this one also follows the maxi property. So we have to move further by inserting the next element, that is the 8. So 8 is to be inserted to the right of 4. Fine, this one. So we have to check again the maxi property, and this does not follow the maxi property, so we have to interchange these values 4 and 8 with one another, and after interchanging we get 8 is the parent of 1 and 4. Now it follows the maxi property. Fine, because according to the maxi property the parent node value should be greater than its children node value, that are there. Here in this case the children are 1 and 4 and parent is the 8. Okay, and this one also follows the maxi property, this one also follows the maxi property, and this one also follows the maxi property. So we have to move further, and by inserting the next element, that is the 7. So 7 is to be inserted to the left of 2. Now this one also does not follow the maxi property, so we have to make that maxi, and we can make that maxi by interchanging the values one another, and after interchanging we get 7 is the parent of 2. Now it follows the maxi property. This one also follows the maxi property, this one also follows the maxi property, this one also follows the maxi property, and finally this one also follows maxi property. It means that we already created the maxi for the given element. So the maxi for the given elements that are given in the question, this one is the maxi, final maxi. So now the question is, after building heap from the array A, this one is the maxi we already get in the previous step. So we next is the after building the heap from the array A, the depth of the tree, that is depth of the heap, depth of the heap, and the right child of max heap are. So now we next we have to find the depth of the heap and the right child of max heap. So firstly we should know what is the depth of heap tree. So depth of the heap tree is the depth of its deepest leaf. So क्या बोल रहे हैं यहाँ पे, the depth of the heap tree is the depth of its deepest leaf. It means that कि जो आपकी लीफ नोड होंगी, ठीक है, ट्री की, उनकी जो डेप्थ होगी वही आपकी हीप ट्री की डेप्थ होगी, ठीक है. सो हियर इन दिस केस क्वेश्चन में आप ऑलरेडी दे रखा है कि रूट इज एट लेवल 0. सो वी असाइन द रूट एट लेवल 0, level 1, level 2 and level 3, and here in the heap tree the leaf nodes are 1, 4 and 2. ओके, सो इन लीफ नोड की जो डेप्थ है वो क्या है, हम लेवल से ही उनको डेजिग्नेट करेंगे. सो लीफ नोड की जो लेवल है वो है 3, ठीक है. तो डेप्थ ऑफ द हीप ट्री क्या हो जाएगी हमारे पास 3. फाइन, तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन का आंसर हमारे पास क्या हो गया 3. एंड द नेक्स्ट इज द राइट चाइल्ड ऑफ मैक्स हीप. अब हमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना है कि मैक्स हीप का राइट चाइल्ड कौन है. फाइन, तो हियर दिस इज द रूट, 16 इज द रूट, एंड लेफ्ट चाइल्ड ऑफ रूट नोड इज 14 एंड द राइट चाइल्ड ऑफ रूट नोड इज 10. तो हमारे पास सेकेंड आंसर भी आ गया कि राइट चाइल्ड ऑफ मैक्स हीप क्या हमारे पास 10. फाइन, सो according to the question, given question, the answer should be the B option, that is the 3 and 10. 3 is the level and 10 is the right child of the node, or 3 we can say the depth of the heap. Fine, so this is all about the today question. So please subscribe, share and like the video so that you can get the next video, and thank you.